Stop looking at your phone and start looking at the mirror. If you are waiting for a text from your specific person to start feeling chosen, you are doing it backwards. Most people use the mirror technique to beg for change in the physical reality. But today, I am going to show you a secret technique which is called the Pupil Lock technique. It is one of the fastest way which can shift your energy from trying to manifest your specific person to already having them. This is day 1 or video 1 of the 7 videos which I am going to make on the mirror technique. And one thing I can assure you, by the end of today's video, your reality will start feeling different. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Manifesting with Shivamod. If you like the video, hit the like button, also subscribe to the channel, it really supports me. One more thing, if you want me to create subliminals or affirmation tapes, let me know which topics I should make for and I will do it positively. Now let's get into the video. Just imagine this. You are standing in front of a mirror and you see a spot on your face. Do you go to the mirror to scrub it off or do you do it on your own face? You do it on your own face, correct? Your life is the same. Your specific person is not texting you, is the smudge, is the dirt that you want to clear off, the thing you don't like in your life. You cannot fix your specific person out there in the outer reality because it is a very potent form of energy. You need to fix yourself. You need to start becoming the version of yourself who feels chosen. The mirror doesn't show you the future. It shows you who are you being right here, right now. If you are being someone who's waiting for the text, that is what life is going to reflect, more waiting for you. Now imagine in this hand I have a metal piece and in this a magnet. The metal can try hard as it can, but it will not be able to attract the magnet, correct? But replace it with a magnet in this hand, a magnet in this hand, and they will fly to each other to attract. This is simple physics. When you look at the mirror today, stop seeing yourself as a lonely person and start seeing yourself as a magnet. You are not chasing your specific person. You are becoming the version of yourself in your imagination, someone who is chosen. Now here is day 1 practice that I want you to do for 60 seconds, which is called the Pupil Lock technique, which will help you to become the version of yourself who feels chosen. Get close to the mirror, as close as you can, and look at the center of your eyes, specifically on your left pupil, and put all your energy and attention to the left pupil. Now you might ask, why just the left pupil? Because our left eye is connected to the right hemisphere of the brain, which is indeed related to the emotional subconscious mind. Now, as you are putting all your attention to the left pupil, your thoughts will come. The negative thoughts that are repeating themselves. As you are putting all your energy to the left pupil, the thoughts, I am not chosen, they don't love me, will have the strong grip on you. Let those thoughts lose their grip as you start concentrating on your left eye. And as they are losing their grip, now with calm confidence, say this affirmation. I can only see the version of myself who is loved and chosen. As you do this exercise every single day, by the 4th day, I can assure you, you will feel the shift in your own energy. From the energy of wanting, you will shift in the energy of already having your desire. These are the moments of calm confidence when you're not forcing yourself to believe something. You're putting an intention out. You're imagining yourself to be someone who already has the desire, who is experiencing the desire, who is chosen. That helps you to collapse the timelines. When you do this enough times, this helps you to collapse the timelines and experience your desires in the physical reality. Do this once and walk away. Do not look for proof on your phone. The mirror was the proof itself, and it reflecting that calm confidence when you were saying your affirmations were the proof. Look out for the day 2 video, which is going to be on how to handle time lag. Because when you are shifting internally but you are not seeing any change in the physical reality, that is annoying as hell. So in our next video, I will tell you how to handle the 3D time lag better. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.